Hello friends, welcome to Trendy Styles with Gifted. In this particular video, I shared with you the most stunning and creative braid styles with coils that you can choose from. If you're looking for something, an amazing braid style that has coils, then this video is for you. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more hairstyle videos. So guys, let's view these hairstyles together.
Toma, toma, toma,